welcome back after new topics. Now I'll show you how you can unpublish your website. If you want to learn, then you can just stay with me, otherwise you can ignore. So first you just open your WordPress website, and currently I'm showing to you on localhost, local server, and also you can test and apply on your live website. So if you want to learn on this topic, you just stay with me. So first of all, I go to plugin section and add new plugins. All right, then you can search on coming soon, or you can search under construction, anything. Then you can see many plugins, this one, many WordPress plugin here. Now you can use as you like. Usually I use this one, under construction. Also you can use maintenance. This is the popular plugin, You should wait few minutes. Now need to take tips. Okay, all right, it's done. Now can I check again? Same. Now if you want to just at the under construction mode, you just go to the settings, you just enable under construction mode. Let me check. Okay, I need to check with private provider. Okay, just wait a few moments. Yeah, because in Safari, this is the I have login already, that's why not showing this one. But if you're using as a user without login, then you see this one. This is the unpublished website. All right, so you can use this plugin. Also you can use many plugins. You can just search on under construction plugin or coming soon plugin, like that. Also you can change this interface, like design. There in many design, like coming soon, another thing you can use as you want. Another thing also, if you want to just disable for like search engine, if you want to don't indexing any content in Google and other search engine, then you can just click on check mark, then save and change. That's it. It's the easy. And thanks for the watching, and let me know if you have any query. Thank you so much. Bye bye.